Hi guys, welcome to KK Chemistry with Dr. Husnullah. Today we have to discuss lecture number 15 part 2nd. Here we have diagonal method for P2 system. You know that such type of method is used for those systems or those electronic configurations having two electrons in their outermost subshell. Okay, now question might be in your mind how to calculate the capital ML value. Here it can be calculated by adding ML value of first electron, that is ML1, and ML value of this second electron, that is ML2. Okay, first electron, that is ML1, is equal to plus 3 into 1, mean 1 electron. The second one is ML2, mean plus 3 into 1, and when you add both these values you can get plus 6. The resultant table for these values will be like in this fashion. Here we have added all these ML value, like for this plus 3 we have plus 6, for plus 2 plus 3 we have plus 5, for this value we have plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 and up to 0. So this first column can be can be found over here. Okay, the second column can be found over here. Third one is this one. The resultant of this fourth one is this column, the fourth one, okay, etc. Okay, remember the value above the diagonal will be considered a singlet. By singlet here we mean that the spin multiplicity will be 1. And you know the spin multiplicity can be 1 when the electrons are pair. The resultant S value, spin quantum number, the spin total spin value will be 0. By putting the spin value 0 and the 2s plus 1 formula spin multiplicity, you can get a singlet value. That is why we have written it over here as a singlet. Okay, below the diagonal the value will be a triplet one. Here by a triplet we mean that the total spin value, mean S value, will be 1. By putting this 1 and the 2s plus 1, like 2s plus 1, you will get a triplet 2 and 2 1 plus 1, you can get 3. That is why we have written over here a triplet. Now, how many sets are there? How can you derive the term symbol for this particular system? The first set is when the ml value is 6, means the smaller ml value will be plus 6 up to minus 6. When ml value is 6, definitely the term will be I. And you know that the spin multiplicity for such type of ml value is a singlet. Okay, so if it is singlet, you know the spin multiplicity can be written as 1 over here. So the term symbol is singlet I. The second one, as when the ml value is 4, means the small ml will be plus 4 up to minus 4. Okay, in case when ml is 4, the term will be G. And you know that this ml4 exists above the diagonal. Of course, it will be a singlet. So the term symbol will be singlet G. Next one is set 3. Okay, here the maximum ml value is 2. That means the small ml will be value will be plus 2 up to minus 2. Mean plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1 and minus 2. And you know that when ml value is 2, the term will be D. And this plus 2 up to minus 2 exists above the diagonal. So the spin multiplicity will be singlet and the total term symbol will be singlet D. Next one is the term symbol where ml value, the capital ml value, or you can see the L value as 0, the maximum, and small ml value is also 0. So far when ml is equal to 0 or L is equal to 0, term will be S, as this S exists above the diagonal where the spin multiplicity is 1, mean a singlet one. So the term symbol will be singlet S. Next one is set 5. The set 5 exists below the diagonal, so it will be a triplet system. Here the maximum ml value is 5. It means the total ml for this particular system, if it is 5, the small value will exist between plus 5 and minus 5. So you know that if L is equal to 5 or ml is equal to 5, term will be H, as this plus 5 up to minus 5 lying below the diagonal. So the term symbol will be triplet H. Next one is set 6, where the small ml value lies, or you can say exists in the range plus 3 up to minus 3. So if ml or L value is 3, the maximum one, the term will be F, as you know that this F, as you can say, plus 3 exists are lying below the diagonal. So this where the spin multiplicity is triplet, the term symbol will be triplet F. Another one, the last one. Here maximum ml value is 1. So the small ml value will be plus 1 up to minus 1, means plus 1, 0 and minus 1. And when m is equal to 1, or you can say L is equal to 1, the term will be P. This plus ml up to minus ml or lying, or you can find it below the diagonal. That is why it will be a triplet system. So you can denote or represent the term symbol as triplet P. Here, when the azimuthal quantum number is 0, the subshell will be S, and this term will be capital S. Okay. Now, how to find the ground state term symbol? According to the Hund rule, the ground state term symbol will be triplet H. You know that we choose the type of term symbol is the ground state where the spin multiplicity is maximum, and then we go for L value if we have a number of states with the same spin multiplicity. In this case, we will have to choose the system, or you can say the term symbol with higher L values and spin multiplicity. So here H is with higher spin multiplicity 3, and the L value is also higher than the rest of the term symbols. So you can rightly represent the ground state term symbol as a triplet H. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you very much.